My name is Manuel and I've been here working at Helfrich Brothers around 9 years. I came from Dominican Republic, and 15 days later I decided to work at Helfrich because one of my uncles worked here. When I came here, first started here, I didn't know nothing about this work, and this was like a great opportunity. So I pushed myself to learn something different every day. If you don't know nothing about this, they take their time, invested on you. They give you the opportunity to learn. That's what they do. They take people from know nothing and make it a superstar. Over those 9 years, I've been doing a lot of different things, moving from one area to another area, which is giving me the opportunity to grow and learn a lot more. You also have the opportunity to keep moving up and growing as the company's growing. So once you have the skill and knowledge, nobody can take that thing away from you. We do a lot of work for big companies around the US, and the fact that you can contribute to these projects, it don't matter what you do, is kind of cool. So once you know what you're doing, you're going to make money. Once you have a job that you can rely on, your lifestyle will change, because you can also go buy a house, you can buy a car, because there's a lot of overtime here. We're always working, we're always busy. So it's always fun to work. Helfrich Brothers, it's a great people working in here. We all from different places, but once we're here, we're all family, friends, and it's awesome. When I first started, it was just a job. A couple of months later, it was the best decision I ever made.